Hi guys, this is Sir B at today magsasolve po tayo ng derivative involving trigonometric function. So we have here y equals 1 half x plus 1/4 sine of 2x. So let's do this. So y prime is, okay, the derivative of 1 half x is 1 half. Diba? Plus, so ilabas muna natin si 1/4 times the derivative of sine 2x. Ano ba ang derivative ng sine? Di ba? Cosine. So, cosine 2x times the derivative of the domain. So, we have to take the derivative of 2x and that is 2. So, multiply natin yon. So, we have 1 half plus what? Dito, marami nagkakamali dito. Yung 2 kasi, minumultiply doon sa 2x, ginagawang cosine 4x. That is extremely a mistake. Okay? That is a mistake. Okay? So, we have to multiply this 2 dito sa 1/4. So, 1/4 times 2 cosine 2x. So, anong makukuha natin? 1 half plus 1 half, diba? Cosine 2x. Question, is this the final answer? The correct answer is no. We can simplify this further. And how? We can factor, di ba? 1 half, para silang may 1 half, so 1 plus cosine 2x. Oh, yan na ba yung final answer? Hindi pa rin. We can simplify pa kasi ano. Okay? What is cosine 2x? That is a double angle identity, di ba? Di ba? We have sine 2x, yung 2 cosine sine, di ba? Yan yung 2 sine x, cosine x, yung sine 2x, double angle identity. Dito, cosine 2x. Ang cosine 2x po ay equal saan? Equal sa cosine square of x minus sine square of x. Okay? Now, paano natin siya masisimplify? Ano ba itong 1 na to? Notice na yung cosine 2x, cosine square of x siya, minus sine square of x. So dito, pwede nating gamitin yung Pythagorean identity. Okay? Sa madaling salita, itong 1, gagawin natin siyang in terms of cosine and sine. And that is cosine square of x plus sine square of x. Pythagorean identity, that is equivalent to 1. So copy natin yung cosine square of x minus sine square of x. May makakancel ba tayo? Meron. So makakancel yung sine square. So ano ang natira? Ang natira ay 2 cosine square of x. So cosine square of x plus cosine square of x, that is 2 cosine square of x. And then eventually we have to multiply 1 half and 2, di ba? So 1 half times 2, definitely we can cancel 2. So the derivative is cosine square of x. Thank you so much for watching.